In Japan, how do you turn one blog idea into podcast and YouTube proof of expertise? Have you considered this? Your text blogs can be read into a microphone, recorded, spiced up with some music, edited, and turned into podcasts. Many people multitask and absorb good podcast content while walking the dog, running, or going to the gym. The same blog can be delivered in front of a camera and become video content for YouTube, either live streamed on a phone or recorded and edited to spruce it up, even with teleprompters if you want higher quality. One idea is extended into multiple assets, and each format meets a different audience preference. That is how you can fill your channels with credible work without inventing a new topic every day.